the Andes of South America, beauty, mystery and magic, where the Inca people built amazing cities. Cities where the magic still exists. Cities surrounded by nature and supreme energy. Cities where women still weave dresses of life, dresses of hope. Where people still want to be part of this mystery world. People that still smile even though they have lost more of their lands. People that believe one day all human beings will be trees from the same forest. People that is aging but passing their knowledge to innocent smiles and faces full of dreams. People that still dance and sing with magical music produced by natural instruments. Music that enchanting me and remind me who I am, where I come from and what are my roots. Because music is the language throughout which our ancestors communicate with us. Music is the language of the heart, the bridge of liberty, the road to purity, and the trail that takes us to the liberated zone of our minds. Our roots have protected us, and even though our branches have been cut, we sprouted and the 17 boils and rounds in our inner selves, yearning to be shared with you. Native people do not want everybody becoming Indians. They just want to remind you not to forget to be human beings. And share the love of our Father Inti, the Sun, our Pachamama, Mother Earth, and our universal supreme energy, our God, the God of everyone.